Hello guys, I'm Aylin and today I'm going to be showing you how to make how to program some stuff. Um just some steps, easy steps that you can do in Visual Studio Code. You have to download that. That's where you can teach your coding. Let me just erase that. Yeah, you need to go on Python file, like this Python, it says Python, and then then go to terminal. As you can see, this is a terminal area. This is the and hold on. Yeah, this is the place where it's gonna show the code. It's called terminal. Oh my gosh, if you don't have this, then if you don't have like this box area with these things on it, then just go up here, click terminal, and then you're gonna click new terminal. And where we're gonna start, we're not gonna start here, we're not gonna type stuff here like that. That's not how we're gonna do it. We're gonna type over here on this first area. Yeah, if you're ready, we can get started. So we're gonna get started by the easy steps. You have to, it's like print. Type in print, and then type it, click this box. Why do we need print? It means it's gonna print it in the terminal section, and that's gonna be our code that it showed. If we did wrong or right and stuff. And we want to hit shift on our keyboard, shift 9 together. And then we also want to hit shift with this thing next by the L, next by that thing. And then it's like this thing, but this with shift together. And then it will show these two lines. And in the middle of it, you can literally write whatever you want. But the reason we're doing this because we want to print the thing that's in here to here. So whatever you want to type in, just type in. I will type in birds because I love birds. It's not like, yeah, I like birds. So just do that. You can pause the video if you're still working on it. And then when you're done with that, you can go over here. There's like this down arrow. You click it, and then as you can see, there's like this run Python file. Make sure you don't click this arrow. That's not what you want to click. You want to click this down arrow next by, and then click run Python file, and then it's gonna show birds. That means you did correct. That means it shows. How to erase this data? Oh my gosh. Okay, how to erase this data? Go on this white line. When it fills in white, that means you're right. That means you can type C L S. It means for clear or erase, something like that. And then you hit enter, and then boom, it's all gone over here. So yeah, and let's try one more just to get settled. Do that, and then let's type in dolphin, because I like dolphins, and let's do the same thing, run Python file, and then it's going to show over here, CLS, rub it away, and then that's how you do it. Now let's erase all of this, and what we want to do is we want to do another set of code since we did that first one. That was pretty easy. You just print the thing in there. We will start by doing numbers. So here's an easy way. You can do this. Okay, so print, type in print. Okay, print, and then you type in the same thing with the 9, and then you type in the number. Maybe like 4. I'll do 4 plus 1, and then we go over here, and then we type in 5. There we go. We got 5. Don't put these things. It's not gonna work. Okay. Anyway, we use CLS to rub. And I want to tell you one thing. If you want to do multiplication, then I'll show you how. You do this thing. 9 times 2 print. Let's print it. What point? 0.5. It did not get it right. Okay. CLS, and then there we go. But also you can do minus with the. Oh my gosh, I did something really wrong with this thing. And yeah, and actually how you do multiplication is I'll show you. You do 3, or you hit shift 8, and then it's going to show us thing. 3 times 5. Oh, 3 times 5. What's the matter with that? And then boom. Ooh, it's 15. Remember, 3 times 5 is 15 if you didn't know. Okay, so yeah, let's erase everything now. And we're gonna also, and then we're going to learn one more thing that is also pretty simple, variables with numbers. Hope you get it. So yeah, let's get started with that one, and don't worry. It's gonna be easy when you try it. So it's gonna be like you need to do this type, and it's called a variable type ones. And I don't know if you know variables. They're like just like stuff that like you can use to do it, like x equals to 90. I'm showing you an example. And y equals to 40. And we want to print x plus y, because, do you know why? The reason we're doing that, because x is 90, y is 40. What is we're adding them, so x equals to 90, so now x turned into 90. Y equals to 40, so y turns 40. So since x turned 90, because they're equal to it, then it's 90. So this one is 90, this one is 40, because it's equal to 40. So we're actually adding here 90 plus 40. Hope you understand. And then you hit start. You will hit start. There you go. 130 is your answer. You can use this for math, but in a good way. And then we do CLS to clear it. And yeah, let's do one more. I can also tell you this. You can do another number. You can do another number, like z equals to 80. I'm at 80. And then you do, oh my gosh, over here, you do plus z. And then you're going to see that, yeah, see, you can do more than one. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you today. Hope you enjoyed and hope you figured it out. Keep practicing at home and you'll get it. Bye.